Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm just gonna give you guys my thoughts on the market very briefly and what's really going on with the market in my eyes and in my perspective. I hope this lighting is good. All right, so now there's a lot of chit chatter that's going on about debt ceiling. You guys can see me good? Okay. About debt ceiling and things of that nature, about the Dallas Fed who's retiring, and the Boston Fed that's also retiring due to medical reasons, and the scandal that's going on with them, and also with Jerome Powell, which is the Fed chair, and all these other things that's going on. Well, check it out, right? All right, anybody that's trying to get into the technology space, there's a lot of good stocks out there that sold off recently, like Facebook, Peloton, and a few other marquee names like Pinterest, um, DraftKings, what else? Um, a bunch of other stocks. Any stocks that you like in the technology space. Okay, this is my perspective. My perspective is this. First of all, if you look at your charts, you're gonna see that the Nasdaq, when it had that big sell-off, where it reached down to, like, if you look at the futures, when it reached down to like 14,800, Facebook was still trading above 350, and Peloton was trading around $100 at that time. Okay, so now they got the experts saying that uh we they need to get back into the reciprocals and stay away from the tech, because the yield curve, or the yields is the interest rates is getting higher, and yields is going up. But in my perspective, I think that the Nasdaq is doing fine. I think the Nasdaq is making higher lows, and I think that the Nasdaq is going to continue to perform well. So this is a good time to buy some of these tech stocks, these well-known tech stocks, and jump up on them. And yeah, we're gonna run into some bumps in the road as far as the market is concerned. Yes, there is gonna be some pullbacks, but I don't think to an extreme extent as of right now. This is my perspective. I'm not too sure if that's gonna happen, because nobody can predict the market, but that's just my mindset. Another thing I wanted to get into also is this: the China stocks that sold off a whole bunch because of all the China regulations that's been going on and things like that. Let's look into these stocks and find some good quality stocks like Alibaba, like Diddy. These stocks is good stocks, and in the future, if you're holding long term, they will become higher stocks, and they will gain and things of that nature. So watch out for those stocks. And what else is going on in the stock market? Let me just think. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it. I think the Nasdaq is going to do well. A lot of people's feeling like the Nasdaq is going to keep selling off and things of that nature. Like I said, I feel the Nasdaq is still strong. It's making higher highs and higher lows. It had a pullback today, but everything's gonna be all right. So whoever jumped into Facebook when Facebook hit 340, or like today Facebook hit like 347, I think you're in a good position. Facebook's earnings is coming up soon. Peloton's earnings coming up soon. So these are buy and holds. I think Facebook is one of the best stocks out there on the market because of their ethics. Mark Zuckerberg and all the staff over there at Facebook, they doing an excellent job with that company. That company right there is a #1 company. And that's about it. I just want to give you my thoughts on the stock market. Everything's going to be good. But if there's a pullback, just find the good quality stocks and jump up on them. I like DraftKings. I like DraftKings at that $50 price target, $50 price point right now. If it could go under $50, that would be great. Another stock I like is VIAC. Viacom has been pretty much struggling around the $40 price range, 38, 39, 37. It's a good quality stock. It's a buy and hold for the future. And yeah, check out my channel. I got a bunch of short videos pertaining to certain stocks that I like. So look at them. They less than a minute. So check them all out. And once you check them all out, you could see that most of them definitely became bangers. All right. Buy low and sell high with AJ. Like and subscribe and share with others. And one more thing. Let's get this money. Booyah! Yeah. That's it. It's done.